There is a big news inside of artificial intelligence, specifically using NotebookLM. So NotebookLM is a very powerful artificial intelligence. We can take a lot of documents, massive document, 5,000 pages is not a problem for it, and create e-learning from it. And I'm not exaggerating. I don't like to lie about artificial intelligence. You're gonna see it's amazing. So very quickly, to get to NotebookLM, you go on Google, you put NotebookLM, you select this one, then you click on Try NotebookLM, and either you arrive right there or you click on this button, you're gonna be good. You should arrive here. You can give your documents, copy paste text, you can do whatever you want, and then you're right there. And the button that I really want right now is this one, which is resume, summarize, video. So I'm just gonna go to another one that I already did. And you can see that I have a massive amount of document right there. I can select the document, like let's imagine the report, the procedure, all those documents. I can select the one that seems to be important, and I can ask to make a video resume. And what is very good is that it's proper, it's amazing. It's also very good because you can click on the pen right there and you can give information. You can select exactly what you want to say. You need to make sure to start with this, that, and that. This is the type of people we want to talk to. This is what we want to accomplish with it. This is a structure that we need to follow, and you can give him the language too. You can see that there is a bunch of language, which is already a good base. There is also French, so I'm quite happy about it. So what's going to be very important is that once you do this, you select the document, then you click on resume video, and you're going to have it. I already did it 2 times. It's going to be in French, so I invite you more than that because it takes 25 to 30 minutes to generate anything with it. To be honest, I would rather tell you it takes a bit instead of telling you it's going to be great. It takes a bit, but the result is amazing. So you can see if you click on the video right there, you're gonna have a video, you're gonna have an e-learning. And if I click on it right there, it can play. But what is interesting is that you can make it big and download it by clicking right there too. So more than that, I would like to present the e-learning that I just made. So I'm gonna cut my mic.
Alors, bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, on va explorer une transformation qui est assez énorme en fait, la fusion entre la stratégie marketing. C'est comme tout, hein, pour bien utiliser un outil, il faut comprendre un minimum comment il fonctionne. Soit. C'est un exercice de base super important, mais soyons honnêtes, ça peut prendre un temps fou. Pas juste celui qui a le plus de followers. Ensuite, le prix. Et là, c'est une...
What is very important is that, of course, you don't speak French, but that's okay. Most people don't. But what is very interesting for me is more the structure, the elements. As you can see, he's going to put some element, highlight, create some icons, put them together, make some introduction slides. He's going to make all the work. He's going to present them from one to the other. And it's very nice. I have to say, specifically, since you can give it a prompt too, it's going to make you beautiful slides that are very interesting. You can download it, give it to your team, and you have something very sustainable, very useful, let's say more, for your team to help them out. What is very good also is that, as I tell you, you can create again. I just clicked on it. I made a mistake. That's okay. You can also pair it with like an audio. You can ask a report as a document, a mind map. You can do so much. You can make a quiz. You can do a lot of things with this. So this tool is amazing. This is a big news in terms of learning, in terms of improving our competency and our skills. It's a very big news, and also it's so accessible. Because one of the things that I didn't tell you is that it's free. You just can click on it. I don't have a pay account, and it works. So I invite you to try. What I did, just to give you an idea, is that I went on ChatGPT and I asked for a full manual about the topic of marketing and strategy. As you can see, there's a lot of elements. As you can see, it's fantastic. It's really, really, really long. If you already have the manual, don't hesitate, just use it, no problem. I copy that. I went to NotebookLM. So this one specifically. I click on add right now here, then copy paste text, and I called it and I add insert the element. And then it's going to create you like a source right there, and you can just use it. And that's what's very useful for this tool, that you can create your own knowledge base, which is like made by ChatGPT in this case. If you already have something useful, already have something, you can also do that. And you just grab it and you put it in a tool and then you generate something. And that's why I'm very happy about this tool, is that it's fantastic, it's so affordable, it's so accessible, and it really like throw out the old way to do things. It becomes completely different. Like making an e-learning For people, for example, I hate to read. I don't want to read stuff. Watching a video while I'm doing something else it's way better for me. So this is actually amazing, and I'm very happy that it's done. I am so happy about what Google is doing about AI right now. So I invite you to try this. This is completely like, I'm kind of a bit shocked, to be honest, because I do a lot of e-learning and it takes forever to do anything. So to have something like to help explain a tiny bit of the concept, it's always a pleasure. So it was Loic. I wish you the best. Please subscribe. Please leave a like. I'm going to try to learn English properly sometime. Please leave a like. I wish you the best with AI. Don't hesitate to stay around, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.